Uh, I'm Manoj. I'm in the industry for 13 years. I passed out in 2003 and then I started my career with a company in India. I worked in India for almost 4 years. Then I moved to USA and I'm in USA for last 9 years. And I have worked on, I would say, like whole life cycle of the project, starting with requirement gathering, development, testing, then the UAT, and the project management, and the team management. Like I have gone through the whole process. So right now I'm working in USA for a pretty big bank. In my current role, other than the technology, I need a pretty good domain knowledge. So I would say if I talk about technology, then we are working on the niche technologies right now. This cloud computing and big data. These are the two big buzzword going on in the industry today. But other than that, like we are also working in the domain part of the bank. So from I'm really fortunate and really proud to be part of Ritambhara Technologies. At Ritambhara, we have a pretty diverse team. The people, or the trainee, or the trainer, sorry, who will be training you, teaching you, are from. They have a pretty rich experience and are from pretty big companies in India. People are from Microsoft, Adobe, and some other big companies, and they carry really rich experience with them. And we would definitely and enrich your not only enrich your the knowledge, but will make you feel confident, so that you are more confident, more like knowledgeable before you appear for an interview. So from my perspective, I would say we are looking for a very good attitude from you. Like attitude matter a lot. So if you come with the right attitude, that at Ritambhara Technologies, we have the right team, we have the right material, we have the right knowledge, and we have the right people. We'll make sure you excel in your life, and you would do much better, and definitely would succeed in your life after joining this team. Thank you. Thanks a lot.